Well, let's have the hard conversation because I'm sure it's happened to you. Why she will go home with him and not you? And you're like, Erica, you're probably like just frustrated with it. You've probably maybe even asked your friends, like, what is it about me? Why do certain women just seem to send me that text message that says there is no connection? Why am I not the guy that women choose? Why am I not the guy that women want to go home with? What is it? What's so wrong with me? And darling, I'm here to tell you it's not that anything is so wrong with you. It's just how you are doing things that is not working in your favor. And I'm going to show you how to correct those things, because yes, there is a reality. There is that harsh reality that there are just some guys that they know how to move, they know what to say, they know how to really score with a woman, and it makes her excited to be with him. It makes her want to go with him. Or you might be married and you might be watching this and going, why doesn't she fantasize about me anymore? She says she's just not into it, but why is it when Chris Hemsworth shows up on television with no shirt on, why is she all of a sudden flushed? Why is she all of a sudden this woman who has a sex drive again? What is so wrong with me, and what am I missing? What is missing out here? And the reality is, a lot of times a woman, when she is with you, she may see you as nice, she may see you as a provider, she may see you as a good guy. But here's the thing that she doesn't see when she thinks about you, and this is not what she feels when she's in your presence, is she doesn't feel confident that you were the guy that is going to bring her pleasure. When we feel like you don't have the skills to put it down on us in the bedroom, it doesn't make us think that you're just an absolute loser, but there's something in our body that just shuts off and goes, I don't feel it for this guy. I don't feel turned on by him. He's so nice. And here's a reality, you may not even know this. I'm Arica, Angelo, by the way. I'm the woman that would tell you the things that your wife, your girlfriend, your friends, your church, your dog will not tell you, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. And the reality is, she's just as frustrated as you, because she sees you as this wonderful guy. She sees you as this guy that she enjoys spending time with. But then she goes back and tells her friends, there's just something about him that is missing. I don't feel that spark. I don't feel that click. There's something about him that just, I don't know, even sometimes just turns me off, and I can't imagine being intimate with him. And maybe you've bought my courses in the past of all the beautiful things that I very practically tell you and show you how to do to a woman's body when you get into the bedroom, when she does come home with you, or when you're married and it's time for you guys to hopefully go and be intimate, and then she just turns off the light and rolls to her side, and you're like, and another night I have to go to bed with a boner and nothing to do about it. So we don't want that to keep happening to you. But the reality is, if you see a woman getting cranky or bitchy, chances are she just needs to get piped down, and she may not even realize that she needs to get piped down, but that is what she is missing from her life. So I want to tell you about a client that I have. His name was Mark, and I can use his real name because he's shared a testimonial on my videos. And basically, Mark came to me, and he was a guy that he always got the, hey, you're so lovely, you're so great. I just didn't feel a connection. And Mark was a good looking guy. Yeah, he wasn't a Chris Hemsworth, but he was still a good looking guy, super successful, had all the right things on paper, but he just couldn't seem to get things right with a woman. And here's the thing, most of the time when you are showing up just as a good guy, but not as a guy that can put it down on her, not as a guy that can bring her pleasure, chances are she disqualifies you on that date. If you cannot make her feel her body while you're on a date with her, while you're spending time with her, the things that you text message her, if you never give her that feeling, and if you're wondering why I'm doing this stupid thing, is because YouTube demonetized me. And so yeah, it's a sore subject. I'm calm about it now, but was not so calm about it about 3 videos ago. So the reality is she gets frustrated as well, because every woman wants a good guy, but they don't want just a good guy. They want a good guy that brings her pleasure. But if you're not making her feel those things, then chances are she is disqualified. disqualifying you. Now, I created a brand new program called the Date Night Pleasure Bundle, where I show you how to turn an average date night. Yes, I'm being sneaky because of YouTube demonetizing me because of the courses I promoted in the past. You're like, what the hell? I'm just finding this woman. What kind of courses does she provide? Well, when you get Date Night Pleasure Bundle, you will get access to all of my courses. So the reality is that there are things that you can do while you're on a date, even prior to a date, that start getting her pleasure activated. And so when men or women, they say, oh, women just don't like good guys. It's not that a woman doesn't want a good guy. She wants a guy that is not only good, but a guy that can also please her in the bedroom. And the date night is supposed to be that night that really gets her activated for this. And it's why the men who show up and you're like, okay, he took her to the same kind of restaurant, like it was the same thing. Why did she go home with him and not me? Is it because he activated her pleasure? And I get so tired of the lie that it's like, oh, women just love bad boys. The reason why they love bad boys is because they're in touch with their own pleasure system. That's really what it boils down to. Let's like not make it rocket science. A bad boy is traditionally a guy who is very tapped in at his pleasure, and he's gonna pursue it with nothing holding him back, no inhibition whatsoever. He's gonna pursue that pleasure. The reality is you've stopped pursuing your pleasure. You've stopped giving yourself permission to even have that damn pleasure, and it's powerful, but she needs to feel that energy from you. So when you're going on a date with her and you're just showing up as a good guy, but you're not activating that pleasure inside of yourself, therefore you're not leading her in the experience with that pleasure, she doesn't feel that from you. And then that's why you get the text message that says, I just didn't feel the connection. She didn't feel the connection. She didn't feel the connection from here to there. That's where the connection was missing. And so when I had worked with Mark, unfortunately, no, I do not take clients anymore. So if you're like, oh, this is her pitching to get clients, no, I have not coached in years. And so Mark came to me and I could tell Mark was a good guy. He made great money. But I was like, bro, they're not feeling you down below. That whole sexual side of you is not showing up on these dates. And so they're bored as hell. Yeah, you might make them laugh. Yeah, you might make them feel like, oh, you could be the husband of their life. But at the end of the day, if she doesn't go home and get that experience from you, then she's gonna be stuck with some vanilla for the rest of her life watching Netflix and going, okay, I guess it's time to go to bed. But that's not gonna be you. You're gonna get the Date Night Pleasure Bundle. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. I'll put it on my website so that you guys can get access to my stuff. But the reality is it's just that. A man who is not just a good man, but a man who has access to not only her pleasure, but he gives himself the pleasure. In fact, right now, put your hand on your chest and say, I give myself the permission to connect with my pleasure. It is okay. It is my God-given right to have access to my pleasure system. And as I do so, she will feel it from me, and I will be the good guy who gets her in the bedroom. Believe it or not, it's showing up with that polarity of having both of those energies. You need both. No one wants to get with a guy who has tons of trauma, who's going to, God, I don't even want to go into the war stories of what women go through with bad guys. It's dark, it's heavy, these guys are heavy. No. We are trying to make this world a pleasurable place to live in, and you get to be that guy, but you've got to bring pleasure into the experience. It cannot just be you being a good guy. If this resonated in the comment section, I want you to say, not just a good guy, because there is so much more to you, and your pleasure has been taken away from you. It's been demonized by society, but I am here to ignite that fire back in you because it is your God-given right. So get Date Night Pleasure. Get that pleasure going again, my man, and I will see you in my next video. You take care.